you could go a little lower on the top.
Okay.
Just bring the fade up a little higher for me.
Okay.
That'd
No
be
problem.
cool.
What about your hair?
A little higher.
What about your hair?
Like, I want to say a Boosie fade.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ball all the way up to right about here and then blend it in.
Yeah.
Keep it low. Boosie fade.
Mm-hmm. It could be low at the top.
Okay. Let's see, I can't even think of no new song Boosie came out with.
I know.
I seen this 20 verse 1 that Boosie did.
Mm-hmm.
And that was hilarious.
Oh yeah, I seen bits and pieces of it. These niggas be saying some stuff.
Yeah, they do. Yeah. So what you just say? Oh yeah, I'm going back with you.
Man.
She had offered to talk right into the microphone.
Mm-hmm.
He said, "Oh yeah, let me go on back here and let you talk on the mic."
Right. Oh yeah, I did see that clip.
Yeah, I was bugging up laughing. I was like, "Yep."
The baby did a 20 versus 1. Somebody paid for him to come and he had left. Somebody took most of the money or something.
Okay.
Because the girl said something crazy.
Did they bring out? Oh, I seen the one where what's her name? Charleston White that came.
Mm-hmm.
And they brought out what's her name? Shamar. Shamar was there, and it was like, Shamar was twisted up. Shamar came outside. And he was like, "Oh, it's over with.
Yeah.
You done brought him out. Time to go."
Man, that's
And
crazy.
he was like, "Shamar, what I did." He shouldn't have started because I just came out. I didn't know he was here. I don't know who that is.
That dude crazy.
So they were pulling up what they thought was going to pick
I seen one with this model. She was like borderline Jamaican. She was thinking of cold grits. They had popped the balloon on her before they even got a chance to talk to her.
So,
Like, why they popped the balloon on her?
They be killing me with that.
Because, I guess because she was built up. But I ain't gonna lie, like if I was there, I would have gone there and gave her a chance.
Yeah.
She was thinking of cold grits, boy.
Real.
She had a degree, she ain't have no man. I'm like, oh, you good, baby, making young lady.
Real.
I'm gonna snatch you up and make you a wife.
Nowadays, people be real judgmental. Especially off looks and stuff, and they don't really get to know a person.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Yeah.
But the truth of the matter is, once you find you make a better you attract a better,
You better person.
yeah.
Better energy.
Yeah. Michael Jackson said, I'm talking to the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. And no message. It's pretty. That's nice, honey.
Thank you.
No message.
Bye, Ashley.
She's going for her graduation to be a nurse practitioner. I just love that for my people. My stomach hurts.
Did you eat today?
No.
You
And I
gotta put,
can't lay on my couch back there like this. It's too damn good.
you gotta put some on your stomach.
My boyfriend's supposed to be great, but I never text him back and told him what I wanted because I don't know. And I got clients back to back today. I really don't got time to eat.
Can't go wrong with fruit.
High five. It ain't been good the last couple of times I had
Snooks watermelon be fire. Snooks watermelon be fire.
No, they don't. Last time I had some watermelon from Schmitz, I was pissed off.
Really?
And it was like last month.
Did you buy it in the container or you actually bought like the whole watermelon? Go get the whole watermelon.
You want me to be back here cutting up watermelon?
No, I'm just saying like, you know.
They got some that's they got some that
Y'all
slice.
be cutting up watermelon?
If you want one, I'll slice it up and
You got a knife.
I'll go get one.
I was gonna say, you got everything.
Yeah.
So
That's
that's
like-
what you bought?
Yeah.
You bought a whole watermelon? Lamar?
Before me, we go.
Because he was just talking about watermelon this morning.
Man, I sliced me up one yesterday, paid $8.99, I filled up like 4 containers. That's, man, good eating for about 4 days.
But them slices is definitely charging. Where's my crying at, Jesus? She need to come on before I get too comfortable.
So you gotta pick the watermelon. There's certain attributes on the watermelon that you know how it's gonna taste by how it look.
What are those attributes?
Alright, I just said half.
You ever
I
seen?
bought one yesterday, it was terrible.
Man, I bought
Me
one. It was
too.
so
When I had
sweet.
the cup, you know
Yeah.
the cup over there?
Yeah.
My cup was so nasty, TT, I threw the whole thing away.
I go pick my watermelon, so I pick the ones. I pick the one that's firm, but the one that got like it look like stitches on it. It's like brown, like tan colored. Those are. That's how you can tell it's gonna be sweet. If you look at it and it's got like a tan stitch, like that's like the sugar almost trying to come out of the rind. And I picked mine to be like almost like a firm like a lime green, the lightest lime green color, and then knock on it. If it's hollow, you good, but if it's soft, you want to put it back.
Well, you can't do that with the cup. You can't do that with the cup.
No, I'm talking about when you go over there to the
Just look for the stitch.
when you get the for real the whole watermelon. You see, with the whole watermelon,
Huh?
with the whole watermelon, you can pick which one you want.
TT, did y'all miss me?
Girl, huh?
Did y'all miss me?
Oh, I know. I was gonna ask you where you been.
I told you I went to Atlanta Saturday.
Did you have?
No, it was the worst trip of my life. It was the worst trip of my life. For real. Girl, cause his sister, you know, he got a twin sister, and she just, I don't know. No, she lived there. We took his mama out there. She moved there. And
She moved her.
yeah, his mama
I didn't
did.
know she moved.
Yeah, so this one we was taking her down there. And it was horrible, TT. Oh my God. His sister, I don't know if she wanted to be his mama, his woman, or his sister. I can't tell the difference between the three. And we was only there for 24 hours. And she was mad because I didn't want to go out. Why would I want to go out somewhere? Why do you think I want to go to the club? Big and pregnant. So she was mad about that. She didn't talk to us for the whole next day. And then his mama was supposed to buy us tickets to come back. I told you that, right? We didn't have no tickets.
How y'all supposed to get back? Oh, y'all?
We had to rent a car. Right? We didn't find this out till 6 o'clock p.m. So we didn't get on the road till about 9 because we trying to find rental car places. Only one rental car place in Atlanta was open because it was Sunday. It was this place called Sitch. You ever heard of them? SIXTH. They're not in St. Louis. So after being on the road all night, because we didn't get here till 5 o'clock in the morning, 5:22, he had to be at work at 10 o'clock. I had a doctor's appointment that morning. CC. The car had to go back to Kansas City.
That's why y'all had to drop it off.
I didn't go nowhere. My daddy and my brother rode with him to take the car back. I was not going to sit in the car for another 8 hours, 4 hours there, 4 hours back. I just couldn't do it. It was horrible.
Why y'all? What you tell us to find?
So, we had receipts, we had a booking number, we never had a confirmation number, which is what alarmed me that something wasn't right about the ticket. So, I go and I call the people. We call the people. So the lady basically said that only 2 things could have happened. Either she entered in her card number wrong, or the card just declined altogether. But because we booked through a third party booking site, they didn't reach out to us and tell us that it wasn't booked. So we was stuck in Atlanta. I was so mad. Then me and him got into it. I done hit the man in front of his mama, and I really didn't mean to. So I had to pray about that. She's there, so she didn't say anything. She didn't say nothing though. I don't know if she was mad or not. I didn't care at that point. Because he was trying to blame me for us not having no tickets. Because she came over to the house, and I put the tickets together, right? But I can only go off body language. I don't do sign language. So when it was time to pay, yes, and I specifically told him, wait until you get off of work. I know, he gonna teach me. He gonna teach me.
Because my friend going to school for it.
Yeah, he gonna teach me. He gonna teach me.
Good money.
They do, and I keep telling him to do that. Like I told, he just started his own business. I told him to, like, those are the people that you need to be going after, the damn people. So, but he's so ghetto. He was like he throwing them gang signs. He did. So I can't communicate with her like he can communicate with her. You know what I'm saying? So when it was time to put the card number in, she didn't hand me her card. She reached for the iPad. So I gave it to her. I told him, I'm not you or your sister. I'm not just gonna take over. You know what I'm saying? Like when she don't understand.
She don't need no help.
She don't. No. She go on trips all the time. So I'm trying to explain to him like when she, I don't know what to call it. I don't want to say the wrong thing. But when she acting a little slow, I'm not gonna take over like y'all do. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like that's kind of me overstepping. That's not my mama. That's your mama. And I specifically told him to tell her to come once he got off work, but she don't drive at night. So she decided, but she decided that she was gonna come in the middle of the day at 11 o'clock, beating on the door like the police. I'm on phone. Yes, I'm on phone with my mama. I'm like, who is this knocking on the door like that? Then I'm like, no, she don't know how loud she is. Yeah. So it was a mess. It was a hot mess. When I say a hot mess, I couldn't. And then his sister straight, she was supposed to take us to the airport. She didn't even know that we didn't have no tickets. She straight didn't call, didn't text, nothing. I had already ordered us a lift though because I ain't got time to be dealing with no wrong woman attitude. So and then before they got into it, he went upstairs, to I guess check her temperature. I don't know. I really don't know what she was mad about for real. I really believe that she thought that we had went and did some stuff without her. But our hotel was literally in walking distance from the mall. So we went to the mall as soon as we left the hotel. But it didn't make sense to drive 40 minutes to come get you and then go to the mall. Because he was going to buy my Mother's Day gift. But the mall that was in walking distance, they didn't have the purse I wanted or whatever. So we ended up having to go to Lennox, and Lennox was 14 minutes away. So I don't know. So she was thinking that we just outside, but we literally no.
Y'all take her, y'all.
Yes. And then you gotta understand, she don't got no kids or nothing. Yes. We have. She got a boyfriend, but I don't know what that. I don't know what she got. But the whole time we out there, she thinking that we doing, we living our best life without her or something. But that literally was not the case. Like we just, he was like, well, we out here. This, good time. We got the kids. Let's just go get your Mother's Day gift. I'm like, cool. I need an everyday purse anyway. I've been carrying this little raggedy bag because I wanted a specific purse. And I told him that I wasn't going to stop carrying my raggedy purse until I got the one I wanted.
Did you find the one you wanted?
Yeah, he said he was tired of me. Huh?
What you get?
An MCM bag. He said he was tired of me wearing that raggedy purse. So we went, but she literally thinking that we just, But no, you have to understand, we only here for 24 hours. Then we supposed to go to the track museum. He ain't never been there before. Rick Ross got a big house on some acres of land that the public can go see. You can't go in or nothing, but you can ride past it and see the house and stuff. So he wanted to go see that. But everything was kind of far away from her house. She was mad because we had a hotel room. Girl! We are 2 grown adults. Who said what she wanted us to do? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I don't stay with people. I don't stay with nobody. I don't stay with Chrissy when I go out of town. My auntie lives there. My mama's sister lives in Texas. I don't
Motor
stay working.
Friend
I go
booked
out
this
for
on
them.
6th
I'm a
Street Gospel
grown woman.
Circuit.
If I want
You
to
ride with the Sharps?
I don't want to stay in your 1-bedroom apartment on the couch.
I'm still married.
Like, seriously,
Oh,
we
it
too
was
old
all
for
that.
that.
I'm asking again for you to come with me.
For real, because most of the time my 2-year-old is, you know, like,
I think I have another voice.
so yes, we want to
Say
take a long
Julio was
time.
gonna come.
And they do.
They do know.
Yes. One time we started and he was asleep and he woke right up. I was